Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
It's outdoor cooking season once again, and Traeger, a company that pioneered pellet grills, is out with some new innovations. There are new Ironwood Pellet grills that feature a touchscreen display for easy control, and they're app connected as well. The Ironwood is priced at $1,800, while the XL model is $200 more. We've been impressed with Traeger for years. Also new is the Flatrock grill that uses propane and features a flat griddle-type cooking surface. VP of Engineering, Dan Altenritter.
There's a whole spectrum of culinary foods that just are best on a flat top cooking surface.
The price, about $900. Find more details at Traeger, Traeger.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.